get ready for the shoulder warm up now. Now raise your arms up like this and start swinging them in a clockwise direction. Slowly keep widening the circle. Slowly keep widening the circle until you reach full throttle. Okay, relax. Now again take your arms. Now reverse the circle. Start with smaller circles. Slowly keep increasing. Yes, make your circle wide as possible till you reach full throttle. Relax. Okay, now keep your arms in the center, move your arms out and in, out in. Okay, relax. Now move your arms up and down. So when you take your arms up, slightly push it back, okay? Arms up and down alternate. Relax. Okay. Now take your hands on your shoulders and rotate. Keep your elbows as close as possible. Rotate your arms like this. Keep your elbows as close as possible. Chest out, back straight. Reverse. Relax. Okay. Now keep your arms like this. Elbows joined at your waist. Chest out, back straight. Hands clenched. Now move your hand in and out. In and out. In and out. Yes. Let's keep doing that. Okay. Now take your arms up. Elbows in line with the shoulder. Okay. Now keep your arms back. Move your arms back. So when you move your arm back, that doesn't mean just doing it like this. That means you need to move back like this. Okay, move your arms back. Yes. Okay, now from here, move your arms down. Push it back. So when you move your arms down, push it back. Down, down, down. Yes, push it back. Okay, relax. Alright. Now let's begin with our workout. So today we will be concentrating on our deltoids, our traps and our rotator cuff. Alright, so let's start with deltoids. We will be looking at front deltoid, middle deltoid and rear deltoid. Alright, so let's get ready. The first movement, so you need dumbbells for that or water bottles, whatever you have. Whenever you need a band, I will let you know. If you don't have a band, you can still work out. The first movement is a shoulder press. Alright, and how are we going to do it? So lift both the dumbbells up like this. Elbows slightly down than the shoulder level. Not here, not here. Slightly down. And watch the side angle. So, if I am holding the dumbbell, my elbow is slightly in front of the body. It is not here. Okay? This is not a shoulder press. You don't take your elbow back. You take your elbow slightly in front. Okay? And from here you raise your arms up and down. Okay? So elbow is slightly up, slightly down, and from here you raise your arms up. Now when you raise your arms up, you need to bring your hands closer as you take it up. Don't be here. You need to keep your hands closer and bring it down. Up, down, up, down. 10 counts. Let's go for it. Start. Yes. Rahul, you are taking it 2 down. बस यहाँ तक लेकर आना है. Deltoids को engage रखना है. Up and down. हाँ, बस यहीं तक लेके आओ. और थोड़ा chest out रखो और elbows थोड़े से inside रहेंगे. हाँ. Yes. Yes, good Rashi, good. Yes, good Deepa. Yes, Monica, slightly bring your elbows down. Yes. And don't push your elbows back. So like I told you, the angle that is made is this. Elbows are slightly in front, not pushed too back. Okay? Yes. Okay, rest. Those who are done 10 counts, we will be doing one more set of this. Okay, start the second set, everyone. Yes, up and down, yes. राखी थोड़ा सा elbows को और नीचे लेकर आओ. Just bring it down at this level and then again take it up, down. So if this is my shoulder level, थोड़ा सा नीचे आएंगी elbows. Yes, good.
Heck, I did it okay? I don't know if
Yes, yes, Bhavna, I saw you. You were doing it fine. Okay, if you are done 2 sets, you can relax. Alright. The next movement that we are going to do is your side raises. And how are we going to do it? Just let me show it to you. Your arms are here, first the stance, legs are shoulder length apart, body slightly tilted forward from the ankles. So when I say forward from the ankles, it looks like this. Okay, it doesn't look like this. Back straight, slightly tilted forward from the ankles. Now chest is out, shoulders rolled forward. Got it? So shoulders rolled forward doesn't mean you slouch. Chest always remains out. Now, watch the front end. Hands slightly in front and slightly wide. This is where you begin. Okay? Up, down. Up, down. Down doesn't mean resting it here. Okay? This has to be constantly engaged. Up means taking it slightly above the shoulder level, slowly bringing it down. Up, down. The elbows, now watch the elbows. So elbows are soft. Don't lock your elbows. Don't do this. Okay, don't lock your elbows. Elbows are soft. Watch the side angle. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Alright, yes. Let's go for it. 10 counts. Yes. Yes, good. Very nice, Sugan. Yes. Very good, Deepa. Good, Rashi, good. Yes, Bhavna tried to lift it up higher, or maybe the last one wasn't too high. Yes, good, Monica, good. Yes. Rahul, don't take your arms up like this, okay? Just make sure you take up only till the time your elbow stays up. Don't do this. Alright? Yes. Rishabh, join in. So we are doing side shoulder raises. Pick up your dumbbells. Okay, and bring them slightly forward, bend down from your ankles, and here you will be lifting up and slowly bringing down. Lift up, slowly bring it down. Yes? 10 counts. Okay, those who are done one set, rest for 30 seconds. Alright, just count 30 in your head, or maybe when you feel you're ready, start the second set. This time 12. Okay, second set will be 12. Yes, good, Rishabh. Same movement. So we are working on our middle deltoid, or also called lateral deltoid. Yes, keep looking straight. Chest always remains out. Don't slouch, everyone. Yes, keep looking straight. Yes, Bhavna, try to lift up and slightly pause there. Yes, good, good. Yes, good, Rakhi, good. Second set, 12 counts. Yes. Rishabh, when you bring your dumbbells down, don't rest. Okay? You need to keep your arms engaged. From here only lift up again. Down. Up. Down. Alright? Yes. Good. Keep your deltoids engaged. So this is the part that we are working on. This part is the deltoid that we are working on. Okay, those who are done will rest. The next movement is, yes, 2 sets, only 2 sets. The next movement is a snatch. Alright, so it is a compound body movement, not an isolated movement for the shoulders only. It's a compound body movement involving all the parts of the shoulders as well as your back, your glutes, your hamstrings. Okay, so the movement looks like this. We are here, dumbbell is here. From here, bend down, pull and up, down, pull and up, down, pull and up. We do that 10 on each side. So just watch that when you are down, back is straight, chest is up. Don't do this. Chest always remains up. And you pull. So you need to pull and take it up and down. Pull in one go and down. Yes, let's go for it. Yes, start. Yes, so guys, you can do half squat. You can do half squat. Okay, पूरा bend नहीं करो, हल्का सा नीचे जाओ. Deepa, chest out. Monica, just watch the movement. So you are here. Okay, now from here you need to pull it up and take it up. Watch the elbow angle. Okay, it is a pull movement. I am showing you a slow motion pull movement. Alright, you need to pull. Yes. Lift up your back as well. So you are here. Pull and up. Then down. Pull and up. Then down. Yes? Yes. Okay. 10 on each side. Rishabh, you can do half bending. Okay? Don't bend too much. Do the snatches, Rishabh. Monica, stand straight when you take your dumbbell up, your bottle up. So you are here, up. Alright, again go down, up.
Mac, I did right.
Yes, you are doing right, Sugha. Yes, 10 on each side and 2 sets. If you are done 2 sets, you will relax. Yes, good, Rakhi. I'm just opening up the schedule to see that we are on track. Yes. Anand presses lift. All right. If you're done 2 sets, you will relax. Take a breather. Bhavna, you're done 2 sets?
Only one. I'll start with the second one. I'll do that.
Yes, please do that. Rahul, don't throw your dumbbell back like that. You need to lift up and take it straight up. Arm straight. Again, keep it down. Again, pull straight up. Yes. Yes. Don't let your arm go back. You're going to injure your shoulder. बस यहीं तक लेके जाओ ऊपर और फिर यहाँ से नीचे. Don't push it back. Okay? Take your arm straight up. 10 on each, 2 sets. If you are done, you relax. Drop your dumbbells or bottles, whatever, when you are relaxing. Okay. Arnold press. It is a patent movement by Arnold Schwarzenegger. He kind of invented the movement and it goes like this. So you do a shoulder press and then you come down, bring your elbows closer and out. Up, down, in, out. Up, down, in, out. Watch the side angle. So side angle is up, down, in, out. Out doesn't mean taking it here. Okay, elbow always remains slightly ahead of your body and relax your traps. So relax your traps. I should not see you doing this. Relax your traps. Okay, let's go for it. Start. Yes, I'll keep doing this for you for the first few counts. Up, down, in, out. Up, down, in, out. Up, down, in, out. Yes, keep doing that. 10 counts. Yes, Rahul, you need to keep your elbows slightly up when you take it in. In doesn't mean doing this. In is here. Right here. Okay? Yes. Yes, much better, yes. Deepa, your hands are going down. Elbow is fine. So you are doing this. When you come here, your hands are going down. Make sure it is here. Alright, so there is a turn in the palms. From here till here. Yes. Okay, 10 counts, relax, take a breather, let your shoulders relax, drop the dumbbells, rest for 30 seconds at least. Yes, very good, Sugan. Okay, second set, try 12 counts. Same movement. Yes. Yes, Bhavna, let's go for it. 12 counts. Arnold press. Yes, good Rakhi, good, very nice. Yes. 12 counts in the second set. Yes, good Rishabh. Rishabh, would you be able to hold a heavier weight or not comfortable? No? That's fine, that's fine. Do it with the lighter weight, not an issue. Monica, all fine with the shoulder? Alright, okay. Alright. Relax yourself, those who are done. 2 sets. 10 to 12 counts, whatever you are able to reach. Good Rashi. Rashi, stand straight, don't limp on one leg. Body weight distributed equally on both the legs. Knees soft. So the same movement can be done while sitting also. Okay? Alright, once you're done, relax. Let's move to the anterior deltoids now. Anterior is this portion, the front part of your shoulders, the front deltoids. Okay, this one. Alright. The first movement that we'll be doing is your front raises with the dumbbells. And how? Again, watch it, that while you stand, slightly lean forward from the ankles. Don't bend like this, but slightly lean forward. Chest out, back straight, shoulders rolled forward, arms ahead. This is your starting posture. Okay, now from here, raise your dumbbell up, slowly bring it down. Up, slowly bring it down. Up, slowly bring it down. Now when you bring down, don't rest. So I'm here, up, down, up, down. Just imagine the dumbbell stays up in the air, always engaging your interior deltoids. Okay, if you are here, the shoulders will relax. The muscle will no longer be in the tension. That is why keep it here. Up, slowly bring it down. Alright, let's go for it. 10 on each side. Start. Yes. Start the movement, everyone. I'm observing you. Don't take it too high, just slightly above the shoulders. Just slightly above the shoulder level. Very nice, Sugar. Yes, good Rashi, good. Yes, good Deepa. Good Rakhi. Bhavna, chest out. Chest out, yes. Shoulders roll forward doesn't mean you slouch. Yes, good. Go, go, go. Yes. Bend forward from the ankles. Slightly from the ankles, not from the back. Yes, there you go. Good, good, good. Engage your core muscles. So this one, core is engaged too much as we lean forward. So our body tries to balance itself using the core muscles. That is the trick. Otherwise, the same movement can be done against a bench as well. So we might have a bench, we can slightly lean forward and do the same movement, but then our core will not be engaged. So this is a slightly compound body movement. Monica, one hand comes back, then the other goes. Don't do an alternate. Yes, up, down, then goes the other, up, down. Good.
Meg, where should we feel this movement?
So you will be feeling it in your front deltoids here. Alright, yes, and slightly on your back as well because you're balancing. Okay? Yes. 2 sets, 10 counts each.
I felt it on my core and back, not shoulder पे कहीं नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगा धीरे. But yes, back will be engaged because you are leaning forward. You might also feel it here in the elbows, you know. So that's also a secondary muscle that is being used. But primary mover is the front deltoid. Yes. Bhavna, relax your traps. Shoulders ko uthao nahi. Relax your traps. Okay, this has to be relaxed. Yes, Rashi. 2 sets, 10 counts each. If you are done, you can relax. Okay. Monica, you do one more set. I believe you don't have a resistance band right now, or do you have? You don't have. Do one more set because the next movement is the same movement with the resistance band. Okay, those of you who have the resistance band can bring it. Rahul, do you have a band? Chota wala hai, bada wala hai, Rahul? You have this one. Okay. You have a bigger band, Rahul? The bigger one? Acha, wo nahi hai, never mind. So, if you have a smaller band, what you will be doing is, I'll just show you. So, hold the band like this. That is only for Rahul people. I want all of you to hold a bigger band, but right now he doesn't have it, so I'll show. Pick up one dumbbell. Okay. So, first of all, you handcuff your hands like this in the band. Pick up one dumbbell. Again, lean forward slightly and lift up. Slowly bring it down. Lift up. Slowly bring it down. Alright, that is what, Rahul, you are going to do 2 counts of it. Monica, you will be doing the same movement that we did in other 2 sets. Alright, now this time try taking your hands slightly on the inside. Okay, or what you can do is hold the bottles, just let me tilt again. That is only for Monica people. Hold the dumbbells like bottles like this in front. Okay, earlier it was here, hold it here and take your hands up and down, up and down. Alright. Others, let's get ready for the resistance band. Okay. So, what you are going to do is, just a second. Alright. Loosen your band. I'm just changing my camera angle. Okay, loosen your band. Alright, hold one end of the band. Alright, I just have a handle, so I hold it like this. So what you need to do is, you loosen your band like this. Alright, and hold one end. Chest out, back straight, slightly lean forward, lift up and down. Up and down. Same movement that we did with dumbbells. We are going to pick up one loop of the band, the bigger band, and do. Alright, yes, got it. Let's go for it. 2 sets.
Mayak, I have this one also.
हाँ,
Whatever the link you shared.
ठीक है.
So, yeah, should I have to hold with the one leg or a two leg?
सी द रेजिस्टेंस. अगर रेजिस्टेंस कम लग रहा है तो दोनों लेग्स को बीच में ले जाओ बैंड के. अगर रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा लग रहा है तो वन लेग. ओके, यस, वेरी गुड राशि. यस, गुड दीपा, गुड. हाँ, lift up, straight arm up, Sugandh. Yes, straight arm up and down. Yes, Rishabh, let's do that. Yes, very good. Yes, good, Rakhi. Bhavna, switch on your camera. Monica, relax your traps while you're doing this. Yes. Focus only on the deltoids. Yes. Okay, 10 counts and 2 sets. Yes, very good, Deepa. Rahul, keep your chest out and keep looking straight. Don't look up. Neck should be neutral. Yes, if you're done 2 sets, you will relax. Mukund, you need to lift up more. Maybe reduce the resistance. Sorry. Yes. So hands should go above your shoulder level. They are right now slightly below. Hands slightly above the shoulder level. Yes, yes. Much better, much better. Okay. Those all who are done can relax. Okay. The next movement, let me know when you are ready. Okay, Rishabh, you are doing it. Yes, Rakhi done. Okay, good. All right. Now we are going to work on our rear deltoids. All right. So front done, lateral done, rear is what we are going to work on. All right. This portion of the body. The first movement is your back flyers with dumbbells. So let's have a look. Hold the dumbbells in your hands. Legs shoulder length apart. Bend down from your knees, chest out. Okay. Shoulders engaged like this. Begin point is this. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. So when I say up, don't move your back. Back stays there. Knees bend. Up, pause, down. Watch the front angle. I'm here. Up, pause, down. Watch the elbows. Slightly bent. Up, pause, down. Don't come down too much. You should be here. Again, up, pause, down. The same movement that we did like this. Okay, this time you are going to bend, but try to push back the elbows. Push back the elbows. These are called back flyers. Works on our rear deltoids. Start. 10 counts. Sugandh, what you can do is you can sit and do. I'll tell you how. Sit on your bed like this. Okay. Comfortably lean forward. जितना हो जाए. इतना हो रहा है उतना ठीक है. Alright. And then up and down. Yes? Yeah. Chest remains out. Rashi, bend down more, and if you are struggling with the weight, you can hold the water bottle as well. कोशिश करो, I think you will be able to do it. Bend forward more. थोड़ा arms को आगे लेके आओ. Bring your arms forward slightly. हाँ, अब करो. Much better, much better. 10 counts and 2 sets. Good, Rakhi. Yes, Monica, let's go for it. Yes, bend more from your back, chest out, but bend more. Yes, good. Good, much better. Yes. 2 sets, 10 counts. Rahul, you need to bend down more. Knees ko bend kar lo, chest out rakho. Chest out, don't slouch. Yes.
Sorry, I got a call. I had to go. I'm back.
Okay. We are doing back flyers. Alright, so pick up your dumbbells, Bhavna. Just watch the movement. So bend down, you're here, lift up and down. Up and down. From the front it looks like this. Lift up and down. Up and down. Yes. 10 counts. Bend down more, Bhavna, from your knees. Okay. Alright, done 2 sets. Relax yourself. The next movement is your band pulls. Okay? And how are we going to do it? Rahul, I'll tell you how to do it. You have a smaller band. The alternative movement for you. So hold the band like this, okay, right here, and move it one hand, come back, then the other arm and come back, okay, yes. No, don't do it like this. You need to take it back. So there is a change in the movement like we did last time. That was your band pulls in a different way. So this is like pulling against your face. Alright, it is pulling against your face. It is not the shoulder press movement. It is pulling against your face. एक आगे रहेगा hand, one will be pulled. Then the other. Pull. Alright? Yes, much better, much better. But try to hold the band like this. Don't pick it up from here. Hold the band like this. And then try. Alright, others? Rahul, you will be doing 10 counts on each hand and 2 sets. Others?
Right, for me?
Hold.
Sorry, I don't have the band. Yeah.
Yes, Monica, I'll tell you. Others, you will be holding the band, the bigger band, slightly wider, making a Y shape. Make a Y shape, come back. Now here, pull it out. Let the band touch your chest. And back. Out. And back. Out. And back. Make sure when you are doing this, you don't end up doing this. Alright, don't move. Only the arms go out and in. At the shoulder length, not up, not down. At the shoulder length. Yes, 10 counts. Okay, Monica, what you will be doing?
Mehak, sorry, Mac, this is touching my chest. So
No, तो
is
उसको
it-
बीच में से पकड़ो ना, Sugandh. So just if you are looping your band like this, so उसकी resistance you can control. So this is more resistance, this is less resistance. Okay, थोड़ा control करके करो. Okay, Monica, what you will be doing is you will be doing the back flies, but while leaning on. So just lean on one side and take your arms out and in with the bottle. Alright, yes? Rahul, you also do the same thing. Don't do the band because the movement is not coming right. Ek dumbbell pakdo, just lean on against a chair, table, whatever you have. Pull the arm out and in. Out and in. Yes, so it looks like this from the side. Out and in. 10 counts on each side, yes. Chest out, back straight, everyone. Good, Rashi, good. Deepa, don't take your arm up every time. It is just to measure that you are making a Y. Once you are here, the movement is out, back, out, back, out, back. That's the movement. Yes. Deepa, hold one single loop. Double mat karo. One single hold karo. हाँ, थोड़ा resistance कम कर लो. Yes. Now try it. Now try it. First make a V. Then bring your hands down at the shoulder length. Now try. हाँ, थोड़ा और resistance को lose करो, इसको band को लो. Yes. Better, better. So if you watch the side angle, it looks like this. So I'm here, it looks like this. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Okay, touching your chest. Doesn't touch your face. Arms should be down, it should touch your chest. Bhavna, your elbows have to be soft and straight. Loosen up the resistance. If you feel कि loop करके ज़्यादा हो रहा है, नहीं खींचा जा रहा, तो loosen up the resistance. एक hand end से पकड़ो. And loosen up the band, out and in.
मेरा तो लूप है ही, ऐसा है बैंड.
That is fine, not an issue. Just hold one end. So if your band is like this, okay, hold only from the upper part. And then you can widen it, no?
Okay.
Alright? Yes.
Now can you check my?
I was checking Sugan, अभी तक तो ठीक कर रहे थे, एक बार करो फिर से. Yes, yours is fine, Sugan. Yours is fine. Yes, Rashi, yours is also fine. Yes, Bhavna, I need to see yours. Straighten up your arms first. Straighten up your arms. Make a Y. Make a Y like this. Now bring down your arms. Now open it. Yes. And back. Open. And back. Yes. Rishabh, you can increase the resistance. The resistance is less for you. Okay, 2 sets. If you are done, you can relax. Monica, bend down more from your back. Alright, now we are left with the traps and the rotator cuff. We are done with deltoids. Relax, drop your dumbbells or bands, whatever, just relax your shoulders. The next movement is your shrugs. Okay, and how are we going to do it? Just watch with the dumbbells. So hold the dumbbells in your hand. Again, slightly lean forward, shoulders rolled forward, dumbbells or bottles, whatever you have. Lift up, pause, down, up, pause, down. Okay, don't throw your arms, your shoulders down like this. No jokes. Okay, lift up, pause, down, up, pause, down. 12 counts in the first set. Second set has a variation. Do only one set first. 12 counts. Shrugs, yes. Arms in front. These are front shrugs. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Yes. Good. Yes, Monica, don't move your elbows. Just do this. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Yes. Yes. 12 counts. Yes. If you are done 12 counts, you relax.
Mehak, basically I'm not facing any problem right now, but like just minor pain,
In the neck.
just minor pain here. It's because वो शाम से हो ही रहा था, and last week थोड़ा 1 week का physio चला है because of muscle problems only and posture issues. So let me know if anywhere I am doing wrong which might affect the neck even further.
Don't do the traps then. Rashi, don't do the traps. Alright, you can relax, you can just jog on the spot or maybe do jumping jacks or something for 1 set more. Okay, avoid the traps. Alright, okay. Next set is pulsing of the shrugs. Just watch. So what you are going to do is up, pause, down, 8 counts, normal, like we did. Then shrug up. 2, 3. Up only. Don't bring your shoulders down. Up only. Alright? 8 counts. So 8 like this. Full length. Full range of motion. Then 8 up. Faster and up. Alright? Let's go for it. Start.
Can you tell the count again, Meg?
Yes,
Normal.
8 counts up and down, and then 8 pulsing. Okay?
One normal and 8 pulsing.
हाँ, नहीं 8 normal, 8 pulses.
Okay.
ठीक है? Yes, Rashi.
I should avoid this one.
Yes, you should avoid this one. Do mountain climbers 20 on each leg, Rashi, and then do jumping jacks 20. Okay, if you're done, relax everyone. Okay, next we come to is upward rowing, alright, and also called high pulse. So how are we going to do it? We use the band for that. Loop in your band at one end, okay, and this time what you are going to do is hold the band like this, pull up and down, pull up and down. Alright, let's go for it. 10
Both legs
counts.
or one leg?
Depends on the resistance. If the resistance is less, use both the legs so that the band becomes shorter and the resistance is increased. If you feel you are not able to lift up as high, you can use one leg. Okay, Rishabh, slightly tilt your camera angle. I should see your, yes, half karo. Yes, Monica, you will hold the dumbbell and do the
I'll
same
just do this.
movement. Yes.
Oh.
Same movement with the dumbbells. Yes. Rishabh, your arms are going too high. We are not going to do this. Only the elbows go up. Arms stay here. Palms are here. This is your end point. Down. Then lift up and down. Yes, 2 sets of this. Yes, good. Yes, Bhavna. Done one set, relax for 15 seconds or so, and then do the second set as well. Mukund, in the second set, you will hold the dumbbells, alright, and entwine them with the band. So, entwine the dumbbells like this with the band, alright, and squeeze your band. Alright, now with the band as well as the dumbbell is what you will be doing. Okay, the band is here holding the dumbbells. And up and down.
Meg, ये किसके लिए है?
Not for you, Deepa. You will be doing only with the band. That is only for Mukund. I want to add some resistance, some more resistance. Yes. Yes, try. Yes, good. Deepa, if you are motivated, you can try it. I'm not discouraging you on that, but you know, if you want to, just let's try. If you want to increase the resistance, let's try it with the dumbbells like that. Mukund, you need to lift up. The band is not getting lifted up. You need to lift up. Either reduce the resistance. If you have to choose between dumbbell and band, choose band. Yes, now do it. Yes, lift up your elbows more. Palms don't go up. Elbows more. Lean forward. Mukund, lean forward slightly. Yes. Yes, much better. Good. Good, Deepa. Good. Very nice. So I underestimated Deepa. Good. Okay. If you are done, relax. One last and very important movement remains. Rashi, relax. We will be doing rotator cuff strengthening. Alright. So we would need a longer band or a shorter band. Both are correct. So I'll show you with the longer band first. So you hold the band. I'm just tilting my camera angle. Hold the band like this, elbows joined together. So in the warm-up, we did this movement, right? The same movement we are going to do, but with the band, one hand at a time. All right. So you hold the band with both the hands like this. Okay. If you are looping it, so you just hold the band like this. Okay. Now pull from one end and back. Pull out one end and back. Okay, 10 counts here. Now this hand is holding the band. It is not moving and it is not going along. Stay here. Move only this. Alright, got it? Once you're done 10 on this side, do 10 on the other side. The elbow doesn't move. It stays there. Alright, push it out. The same movement can be done with a shorter band. Just hold the band like this. Pull it out. 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 Okay? Yes, Deepa.
Make the wrist placement matters or not? Wrist कैसे रखना
Yes,
है?
wrist should be like this, not like this, like this. Okay? It goes like this. Alright? Yes, Rahul, try. Don't loop it. Don't loop it. Hold it. Hold the band. Yes. ऐसे hold करो. Yes. Now take one arm out and in. Elbows don't move. Rahul, elbows will not move. Even if you do this much, this is correct. This is correct. Just do this much. पहले elbows जोड़ो. Monica, you do the same with the dumbbells.
Dumbbell, na?
Yeah, with the bottom. Elbows जोड़ो. Hold the band like this. Yes. Now lift one arm out. Yes, and in. Wrist को ऐसे नहीं करो. Hold it intact. Engage your forearms. Out and in. Out and in. Yes. Out and in. Yes. Very good. 10 counts on each hand. Yes. Good, Monica. Don't try to turn your body. Your body stays there. So if you are doing it with the dumbbells or with the bottles, whatever. So you hold it like this. One hand can be at the back. Out and in. Out and in. Yes, Rishabh, your arms have to be slightly down. Arms थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Arms को थोड़ा नीचे लेके आओ. Out and in. Out and in. Yes. Let's go for it. 2 sets. 10 counts on each.
Mehak, this looks easy, but यहाँ पे बहुत आ रहा है.
That is what. This is the most ignored part of the body. Yes, Rahul, tell me.
What should be the position of the wrist? Is it open?
So
or-
position of the wrist is, your wrist needs to be just like you have clenched it like this. और बस इसको ऐसे पकड़ लेना. Okay, like this.
Front.
Front. और जो hands हैं, they should be by the side of your waist. So if this is your waist, hands are right here. They are not up, they are not down. Right here. And from here you pull it out. Okay, एक side से pull it out. Out. Yes. Yes. Even if you are able to pull it less, that's absolutely fine.
So the load comes on the wrist, right?
No. The load will come on your rotator cuff. This attachment and this attachment.
Okay.
Okay? So wrist आप ऐसे घुमा रहे हो, इसको straight रखो राहुल. Wrist will not move. Keep it straight. Yes. There you go.
Yeah. Now it's coming on the rotation.
2 sets.
Done.
Done. Relax. If you are done 2 sets, that is about it. We are through with our workout. Yes, good, Monica, good. So in this particular movement, we don't need to add much of weight or resistance. It is not like that. Because, we are majorly working on the strengthening, adding slight resistance to the movement. So you will not feel that the weight is too heavy. You don't need to progress like that. What we would be doing is increasing the number of sets and the number of repetitions first. And then we might slightly add more resistance. Okay, relax everyone. If you are done, walk around, keep your weights back, your bands back, take a walk, take a breather, have a sip of water if you wish to. Okay, Priyanka, you would be leading on the stretching part. All right, primarily, so some lower body stretching, but primarily for the shoulders.
Okay.
All right. Everyone, please follow Priyanka in the lead for the stretching.
Let's stretch our shoulders. Let's rotate your shoulders. Give a nice and slow circles. Move them slowly. We are relaxing here. Move them slowly. Let's go forward now.